Sorry, I wanna taste this one.
鱼虾肉丝包几个？
Yeah, one, this one. Xixi, xixi. It's like a shop bao. They call it bao here. Bao. Mushroom. Healthy. Healthy breakfast for me. We found this YJN. It's a small wonton place here. He's making all the wontons fresh for today. Like that. I think this is like a takeout place. Everything looks good.
We don't have Taiwan.
First taste of the wonton. Ooh, wow. The soup is good. Very good. Cheers. Alright, so that's a good wonton. Hello. So here we are. We're going to Westlake. So we just took a taxi going to Leifeng Tower. From here you can already see the pagoda. Tickets here are 40 yuan. I already took a lot of photos here, trying to recreate our photos in front of this big flag here. This is how it looks like then and now. Ni hao. So I'm gonna create another photo of mine. There's another temple right there. I don't know if you guys will see it, but there's another temple there. I think you can throw a coin here and make a wish. Please do not throw anything. Oh, no, no. Don't throw anything.
We found a jade child
Jade?
figurine at the bottom of that.
Jade figurine? Where is it?
It says there on the jade.
Oh, Jade Child. These ruins that we are looking at right now, this is the original pagoda, Leifeng Pagoda. So some of the reason why the tower collapsed is because of some people are stealing the bricks because of anti-evil properties, I think, something like that, or medicinal properties. So these relics are for sale, and one of this is worth 1.6 million or 20,000 plus dollars. Oh, here it is. 168,000 yuan. This must be a collector's dream. This is 24,000 yuan right here. So my wife told me these are the bricks that they're stealing here from this pagoda, from the original pagoda. Of course, if they're gonna steal one by one, it's gonna collapse. That's why it's like that. They're trying to pull it one by one.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got some close-up of the sculptures here, wood sculptures here. Third floor. Here we go. Alright, it's time to go up because Carla is waiting for us for like 15 minutes already. Alright, it's getting crowded in the fourth floor. Let's go up to the fifth floor. And here we are. That's why I call this Golden Pagoda, because of this ceiling. They said that is made out of gold. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's what they told us. A lot of people coming up now. Look, here too. Look at how full packed the people is now. There's a lot of people. Let's go down. Alright, so let's move on to another temple here in Hangzhou. This looks good. 15. I don't know. Donut? Donut? Alright, so I'm gonna taste this. It looks good. It's translated to yogurt twist, but it looks like a donut. So let's taste it. I don't care about the translation. This is a donut, and it's a good donut.
Wait. Pipicturean ko muna, B. Kasama yung ano.
They found that artifact in the ruins. There it is. So this is where they kept the hair of Buddha. It's interesting. That's how it looks like before. Wow, that's scary. That's finally it for this pagoda, Leifeng Pagoda, and we are going there. There's another temple up there. Oh, so it's Jingci Temple. I don't even know what we're going to see up there, but it's just in front of the pagoda, so why not just visit it, right? We're here already. 3 each? Okay, we're gonna grab 3 each. So this is where we're going to light this up. Alright. Oh. Oh, she's gonna bang. She's gonna bang it. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a big Buddha. Wow. So this is the temple that we have been seeing from the pagoda. This is the temple. Alright, so there's something here like a mini park or mini temple. Alright. Wow, this is nice. This is a nice view of the pagoda. Right there. See? It's a nice view, yeah, V? They got good coffee, by the way. Very good coffee.
Be careful.
Oh, thank you, my friend. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll go back home. I'll miss Luckin Coffee. Thank you. Alright, so here you go, Luckin Coffee. It's one of the best thing in China. And just like that, we are back in Wulin Night Market. Wulin's Night Market or Wulin Night Market. Wulin, I'm pretty sure it's Wulin.
Mas masarap lang.
Ni hao! Yeah! Good chow pan! Good chow pan! Okay. Good chow pan. Oh, nice. Looks so good. Looks so good. Right, so yeah, this is the time to get it. And I'm gonna get chicken as well. This is chicken. Chicken. Yummy, yummy, my tummy. Chow pans here. Foods are here. And we are ready to eat.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey guys, we found the real Garfield here in China. Garfield is Chinese. Hello, the real Garfield. Oh my god, the real Garfield. Oh, so fatso Garfield. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed our adventure, our DIY adventure here in Hangzhou, China. And please don't forget to like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel, and also click on that notification bell so that I can take you with me on my next travel adventure. Thank you, and see you next vlog. Bye. Bye.